Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to create digital spelling tests. I think that digital spelling tests are a total game changer. I use this website called Socrative and it is completely free for teachers. And not only does it make spelling tests digital, but it does all of the grading for you as well, which is awesome. It gives very detailed reports about what words students missed, and I think it's really helpful because I can just quickly see patterns in errors. I can see who's missed what word, and it's just all on one page and very simple, very easy to do. I do think that Socrative has a little bit of a learning curve as far as using it, but that's why I'm making this video, and I'm just gonna dive right in today. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to socrative.com and then you will click the login button. After you click that, of course, you're going to click teacher login, and if you don't have an account already, then you will need to sign up. All right, I have clicked the teacher login already, and now this is the first page that you'll see. These buttons are so you can launch things that you've already created. So the first thing that you have to do if you're going to give a spelling test is create the spelling test. And you actually do that by clicking right here where it says quizzes. Once you're in your quizzes, then you click this orange button right here to add a new quiz. And you can either import one or create one. Right here you give it a title. And then to create the spelling test, I always do them as short answer questions. The way I create my questions is in this box, I will literally just put a 1. And then right here, I will click add and I will make a correct answer. So if word number 1 is cat, then I will type it right here and then I will hit save. If you don't put a correct answer, then it's not going to be able to grade the test for you, so that's very important. I clicked short answer again, and for this one I will just put the number 2 and I will add another correct answer. And I hit save. Again, click short answer, number the item, and add a correct answer. And save. All right, I go up to the top and I hit save and exit. And I'm good to go. Now I can go back to launch and I can launch a quiz. When you're on this screen, you have to select which test you want to give, and I'm going to give the one that I just created. So I click it and hit next. And then right here, you can change the options however you want to. I like to do my spelling tests as teacher paced, and that makes it so that students can't possibly go ahead. And I think it's incredibly important because they might accidentally start typing in the wrong box or something, and they might get their whole test wrong from doing that. So believe me, I think teacher paced is the best way to do your test. I always require student names, otherwise I won't know whose results go to who. And then I like to have it show the final score at the end, and students really like seeing how they did straight away as well, but that's definitely personal preference. And then I click start when I'm ready to go. So at this point, the spelling test is launched. Now I'll show you how it looks on the student end. If you are a student, then you're going to click login and student login. Now your students need your room name. This is something that you would have set up when you created your account, and my room name is Teach Alaska. And they click join. And then right here, they can enter their name. I just have my students put their first name, so I'll just go ahead and put mine. And then I hit done. And this is exactly what students see. So for word number 1, the way I would give the test is I would say the word, say the sentence, everything would just be normal, but students would, of course, type their response. So if they think cat is spelled this way, then they'll type it and they will submit. Now this screen pops up and it says you've completed the current activity, waiting for the next activity to begin. Students will have this screen up until every student has submitted their answer. I love this feature because I no longer have to repeat spelling words at the end of a spelling test. I know that everybody's got the word because the screen lets me know. This is the teacher screen. When you're on this screen, you can see that 1 out of 1 student in the room has answered. And if you click this, you can see their names, which I really like to be able to do. On the teacher screen, when you're ready to advance the test and you can see that all of the students have answered, then you will hit next. And here students can enter word number 2. And another thing you might be wondering is if it will put a red squiggly line underneath, and it will not. So if they spell it like that and submit, they have no idea that they've typed it incorrectly, which is of course a good thing on a test. Okay, so that's the way that you'll go through the test. You'll keep an eye on whether or not all of your students have answered, and you'll keep clicking next. When you're done giving the test, then you hit finish. And straight away you can get your reports on how students did, or you can view a chart of how they did. I will go ahead and click Get Reports. And you have a lot of different options on how you can do this. You can do a whole class Excel sheet, you can do individual student PDFs, and I will actually do this for students who have not passed because I like to print off their results and show their parents how that looks. And so I will go ahead and do that one right now, and then you hit download. Alright, so I have gone ahead and opened up my test results, and you can see exactly how my student did. If they had spelled word number 2 wrong, then this box would be red, and it's really nice because if you give a lengthier spelling test, then you can just scroll to the side and see everything all on one table. I really, really like it. Then I'd also like to show you the individual student reports, which are right here. And here is how the individual student reports look. It literally will just have all of the words exactly how they spelled it and their scores up at the top. And I love to just print these off and send them home. You can get parent initials or whatever you want to do with them. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you have any questions about how to use Socrative, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you're using a different program to give digital spelling tests, can you put that down below as well? I'm curious if there's any other programs that work as well as Socrative or not. I'm always on the hunt for new ed tech, and so far this has been the best website that I have found to give my spelling tests. I really, really enjoy using it, and I hope that you'll give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see other how-to videos or teaching videos, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. It really helps my channel, and I would love to see you back next time. I will see you later. Bye.